As you can see from my shirt, I just came back from GodotCon 2024. That was about 2 weeks ago, actually, but then I got sick for the last week. You might be able to still hear it. And don't mind my hobo mode. I'm kind of growing out my beard for November. And yeah, that's about it for that. But honestly, it was so exciting meeting a lot of you guys. I met a lot of other YouTubers like Jackie Code. I met actually Nathan from GDQuest and his editor, which was really cool. I'm going to put up the picture. We took a group photo together. That was really cool. And I met a lot of other cool people. I'll kind of throw out some images as I talk, maybe as I'm blabbering. But yeah, it was really cool to also meet a lot of people who made games. There was a lot of tables of people who made games, and they just were sitting there, and I got to interview a few of them. I kind of just pointed a camera at them and let them talk. So I appreciate those guys for being as amazing as they were. The conference itself was very interesting. It wasn't the same as last year. This year, it was very retro or very techie, I guess. You'll see in a second, unless you were there already. But the vibe itself was pretty loud, which I don't mind, but it was a little hard, and you'll kind of see in a second for the recordings. It was very difficult to get some of the recordings nice, so hopefully you can hear it. I think some of the audio it's mostly audible. You can maybe hear it, but it might be a little hard. I'll try to add subtitles here and there if I can, but I'm probably gonna get lazy on that, so we'll see. But yeah, I'll queue up some of the interviews I had, and there's some other cool things that I saw or found. So for example, like Poki, they were one of the sponsors, but I did get to interview one of the guys. I'll probably put that in this video. It was really cool. Definitely hear out what he has to say. They basically put games on their site. I don't think it costs anything, but yeah, you can. They are trying to get more into the Godot sphere and sphere of other small games. So that might be something that we can work out in the future, either on this channel or with you guys. So yeah, definitely listen out to what he has to say. And hopefully I'll put a bunch of links down below of all the games and stuff. And hopefully that is it for me. I'm going to stop yapping and I'll cue the next clip.
I'm Ivan and I represent company Nazamo Games, and we are now making our debut game Robot Detour. It's a puzzle game about a robot on a wire who delivers batteries to his wireless friends, and the main goal is to wrap around the whole level with your wire and not touch enemies and deliver battery safely. And of course later some other mechanics are introduced. For example, there are like moving blocks that you also need to consider, and it's our, as I said, debut game, and we implemented something like 20 different mechanics in this game, so I hope it will be fun as players, but yeah, we'll see in a month.
Alright, awesome.
So, yeah, hi. We are from Curio Compass. My name is Atla.
And I'm Adrian.
And yeah, we developed a game called Bug Off. And it's all about you are a bug dancing off against other bugs, trying to match their dance moves as best as you can, and therefore with the highest score.
The game was heavily inspired by queer nightlife here in Berlin.
Do you want to start playing a little? I love that you guys have the activate windows on the corner. I don't know if you can see it in there. Yeah. Alright, back to the game. So what's the basic idea? Like, how do you play?
Adnan, can you explain because these things?
Well, the basic idea was we are actually master students for game development in Hamburg, and we got a theme in the first semester, one button game, and we thought about, okay, how about we use an analog stick as input and have therefore different kinds of directions, and then the idea resulted in kind of a rhythm game. And over iterations, it became a rhythm game, so to speak. And yeah, that's how it turned out to be that way.
Awesome. Okay, I think that's good. All right, go ahead.
Hello everyone, I'm Andrea Tarondo, founder of Silver Knife Serenade. My name online is Silver Knife Serenade. And me and the artist Saineko.
Hi, nice to meet you.
We are the creators of Looking At by Sionia City. Looking At by Sionia City is an indie game made in Godot engine. And it's about a stressed student, stressed girl, that has to deal with problems with stress, anxiety from study. Okay. The game is a point-and-click adventure game, and there is a main menu. This screen is in a vertical shape, just as a stylistic choice. You have dialogues, and hand-drawn images that shows the different scenes. Okay, now this is the incipit, the introduction, and then you can start exploring. Okay, you can start exploring by clicking buttons. Okay, just this is another introduction dialogue. Okay. The objectives are, the game is only about exploration, and the objectives are told you through dialogues, through different colors in the text. Now you are living the life of this student, and you have to go to the kitchen and do different tasks with this mysterious approach, because it's all a mystery. You don't know why you're here. You just know that you woke up and you had to deal with stress, anxiety, and all the story evolves in the game. Another thing, this is the base game, Looking Up as well as in base game. We released it 1 year ago, and about 2 weeks ago, on the 26th of September of this year, we also released the first DLC, the Relapse, that extends the story. And the girl is not in her home, but also goes outside in the outside world to her university. And
Okay. It's okay, I'll cut this out. Go ahead.
Perfect, thank you.
Name and then,
Yeah,
names.
hello, we're both Beetle Games, half of the team.
Yeah?
Hey, we're both Beetle Games, and this is our game Dung Slinger. It's about a dung wheel chained to the dung ball, and you move by hitting the ball and getting pulled along by the chain.
Okay. So... Okay, go ahead.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Dion. I'm here for Poki. We do web games. We are the largest platform on the web worldwide, with around 65 million gameplays a month. We try to make the world play. And for developers, we offer a lot of interesting stuff, like a web platform to get your game on, monetization options. We do user acquisition. We do all that good stuff. And we're also working on playtesting features right now that can help you out and create your game and make it even better than it already was. So, yeah, see you hopefully on Poki and let the world play.
Awesome. The website is
developers.poki.com.
Yeah. Okay, thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Daniel Drake from the Endless Foundation, and I lead our software engineering efforts. And I'm Cassidy Blading from Endless Foundation. I'm on our tech team, and we are here demoing block coding in Godot. So our mission is to teach learners, through making video games, teach them other skills like soft skills like problem solving and collaboration and teamwork, and also exposing them to concepts like art and game design and audio design. And we use programming and programming video games. So the block coding plugin itself it's a learning tool. It's so they can be exposed to something, a professional engine like Godot editor, but not have to have that barrier of learning how to code from scratch, how to write GD script. So it lowers that barrier for them, so they can just get making games visually but learning all the other parts of the editor.
Okay, that's pretty much it for all the interviews, and hopefully you guys watched them and enjoyed some of them, especially the last two on Endless and Poki. I hope to maybe do something with them in the future on this channel, so we'll see where that goes and stuff. I have a lot of stuff to do, especially after going to the conference. Honestly, one of my biggest takeaways from going to the conference, thank you, Jackie, is I'm going to probably be starting a new game. I basically got peer pressured by Jackie to make a game. We talked about it, and I mean, she kind of talked and I just listened, and I kind of agree. I think making a game is very advantageous, so I'm going to probably be working on that. Not full time, obviously, but just on the side. I think it'll be fun. But that's like for another video. But honestly, the conference was really cool. I got to meet, again, Jackie was really nice. There was Lucy, Joanne. He's, I think, the one working on Dial Logic, which, again, we might do something with that on this channel. We'll see, though. I also met Bramwell and Stein. Stein was really cool to meet in person. I actually don't use Twitter, and so apparently he's known as a shitposter, but I don't know that, so I got to meet him before knowing that, which was very intriguing. But yeah, I met a lot of other cool people who make games and stuff, and it really is inspiring to see all these people make games using Godot, because I think one of the things you don't see like online as much is people actually making games and publishing them and doing stuff with it. So it's really, really cool. So I'm excited to hopefully do that as well. I think it'll be really cool to try that myself. And I think that is about it. Hopefully I will see you guys next year. Hopefully I can go next year. It would be really cool. I heard some talks about maybe doing two, one in North America and one in Europe. If that's the case, I'll probably only go to the one in North America. If I can, we'll see. Again, if I have time. Anyways, I'm going to cue a few other clips of Jackie and some other people playing piano and stuff. Maybe just me fooling around. So I'm going to outro that, and that'll be my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have fun with the rest of the video.
I don't know more.
And she's a better one than...